Thanks for joining me today on this Q&A session about Management Reporter for Microsoft Dynamics. My name is Noah Mosley and I am with the MSX Group. We are a software consulting business and we specialize in financial reporting, budgeting, and analysis software solutions. For over 20 years now, we've been working with products like Management Reporter, Forecaster, FRX, and Prospero. If you need assistance with any of these products, email me at noah.mosley@msxgroup.com. Before I get to our question session, let's talk about the basics about Management Reporter. Management Reporter is Microsoft's financial reporting and analysis solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX, GP, and SL. Management Reporter is used to generate all AX, GP, and SL financial statements, including income statements, balance sheet statements, cash flow statements, trial balance statements, and any other supporting schedule from your general ledger data. Generated statements can include account level details as well as transaction level details. You can see exactly what account numbers all your balances are posted to and the transactions that make up those balances. The current version of Management Reporter is CU16, which was released in February of 2017. The first question we get a lot is, does Management Reporter just report on general ledger data? Management Reporter only includes financial data from the Dynamics AX, GP, or SL general ledgers. It does not have access to any other data from other modules such as payroll or fixed assets. The only other source of data for Management Reporter reports would be from Excel spreadsheets. Next question, what is the difference between Report Designer and Report Viewer? Report Designer is used to build, maintain, and generate all Management Reporter report definitions. That includes all the building blocks like the row definitions, column definitions, and reporting tree definitions. Report Designer also allows users to set up security, group report definitions, and schedule report groups or individual reports to generate at scheduled times. Report Viewer is used to view generated reports. Report View also has a library of all reports ever generated. Can you use Management Reporter for consolidated reporting? Yes, you can absolutely use Management Reporter for consolidated balances between multiple companies into a single report. You can do this for all of your income statements, balance sheet statements, cash flow statements, and any other report that you generate from Management Reporter. If you are going to consolidate balances from multiple GL companies, you do have to have reporting tree definitions that pull everything together. Next question, can Management Reporter include budget data? Yes, budget data can be included on any report you generate. In the column definition for any FD column type, change the book code from actual to any other book code or budget ID posted in the general ledger. Budget data may also be included from Excel spreadsheets. How can we view Management Reporter reports? There are two options available for any report you generate from Report Designer. You can look at reports either in the Report Viewer application or the Web Viewer. The Web Viewer is Internet Explorer, or you can use other web browsers as well. Can you export reports? Yes, any report you generate from Management Reporter can be exported to Excel, XPS, or printed. Now you do have better options if you are going to export or print from the Report Viewer applications versus the Web Viewer. If you do export report data to Excel or XPS, keep in mind that security settings do not export. And also, there are no options to generate directly to Excel, XPS, or to the printer. All reports have to be generated to the Report Viewer or the Web Viewer first. How does security work in Management Reporter? Security in Management Reporter is all based on Windows authentication. Users are assigned roles inside the application for administrators, designers, generators, or viewers. Once you have your individual users set up inside Report Designer, you can assign access to specific companies, add those individual users to security groups, assign those groups or users to reporting tree units, and to permissions in the Report Viewer library folders. Now these are just a few of the questions we get a lot about Management Reporter. If you are looking for additional training for Management Reporter, we do offer some training classes for everyone. We have all of these listed on our website at www.msxgroup.com/register. Classes are about 6-hour online training classes led by an MSX Group certified instructor. These are eligible for CPE credit, and we offer two types of classes for Management Reporter. The first one is an introduction class to Management Reporter. We use hands-on exercises building trial balance statements and income statements throughout the day. And this class also explores using reporting tree definitions. We also offer an advanced course for Management Reporter. The advanced course features hands-on exercises covering a wide range of advanced features using balance sheet statements, cash flow statements, and income statements as examples. This course also includes linking to non-general ledger data stored in Excel spreadsheets. The last question I want to leave us here with today is, what about the future of Management Reporter? Microsoft has discontinued development for AX, GP, and SL for Management Reporter. Management Reporter does exist in Dynamics 365. They've just renamed it and dropped the name Management Reporter and just call it Report Designer. Microsoft will continue support for Management Reporter for many years to come, as long as your current versions of AX, GP, and SL are supported by Microsoft. Although there is no guarantee that Management Reporter will be available for future releases of AX, GP, or SL. With that in mind, what are the replacement options for Management Reporter? Since Microsoft has discontinued development for Management Reporter, we have built Prospero as a replacement for Management Reporter. Prospero handles financial reporting as well as budgeting, and we do have migration options available for Management Reporter and from Forecaster. You can sign up for a demo anytime on our website at www.msxgroup.com/Prospero. We've got additional information about Prospero on those pages as well. And we do have free 30-day trial sites available. So if you're interested in additional information about Prospero to replace Management Reporter, see our website or email me at noah.mosley@msxgroup.com. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.